Hi everyone. We are going to show a simple way to prevent fungus knots that actually work for us. Also, this method calls for an easier but different way to water plants. We will show how to do that as well. So, we simply bought a bag of play sand and covered the top of our containers with about half an inch of play sand. We covered it evenly, all around the top of the dirt to make sure that there is no way for the knots to get to the dirt. But now, if you will water it in your conventional way, the sand would run off. So what we did is to take a party glass and make a small hole at its bottom. We just keep this glass on the sand and fill it with water. The water starts dripping down. Every time we water the plant, we move the glass to another location in the container to make sure the root system gets water from all around. You can also insert Ola spikes if you have any and use those for watering, but party glass method is cheaper. Since we did this, we have not seen a single fungus knot. It is winter right now, but if you're planning to start a garden this year, check out this video on how you can make a raised garden bed for $0.